This is Isaac at the Devil's Lake Leading Edge, and I'm going to talk to you about fan drives today. The first inspection for a fan drive that you want to do is a belt gauge check. Get one of these at our Devil's Lake store. Put it on the belt. If the belt fits in between the gauge, it's bad. Has a 13 5-liter gauge and a 9-liter gauge. There are two different style fan drives, with Allen head cap screws on the front and with 18mm cap screws on the front. The Allen headed cap screws, there's two checks you want to do. You want to make sure it has enough grease on the supplied grease zerks on the fan drive, and you want to make 2 paint line marks on each sheave directly across from each other. And if there's more than a 1/4 inch play in the sheave, the fan drive is bad. On the 18mm cap screw fan drives, there's going to be play in the sheaves because it's a dry sheave design, and the tractor will throw a code if the fan speed isn't high enough. You still want to do the belt gauge check. 8Rs are the same design, just a little smaller. That's what the 9-liter gauge is for. And they're typically no grease zerks. On a 9330 through 9630, the fan drives have a simpler design. If they're leaking anywhere on the line, in front of the fan drive or between the sheaves, you want to have them rebuilt with new seals and wear rings. If you have any questions, contact us at any of our leading edge stores.